can taste you.
I told them it tastes like chicken, and I need you to tell them that it does. So if not, they're gonna think I'm lying. Please.
It tastes like chicken.
Are you lying? Oh, he did really taste it. I thought he didn't. Do you like it?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Chicken.
It tastes good?
Yeah, it tastes like...
Should they try it and make it?
Yes. Welcome back. There's my mom over there.
Hey guys, welcome back. What are we making? So I'm gonna make cauliflower into similar taste and texture to like chicken. So not so much texture because it's gonna be, you know, like in little bits of pieces, but it's gonna taste a lot like chicken, and honestly you're not gonna notice a difference once we're done with this thing. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna need is the cauliflower, some rice to go along with this as well. I use a white basmati rice, adobo seasoning from Frontier Co-op, salt, pink Himalayan salt is what I'll be using, and some olive oil or whatever oil you guys are using. Next up, we're gonna make the rice, and if you don't know how to make rice, it is 1 part rice, 2 parts water. So I'm gonna make 3 cups of rice, so that means it's gonna be 6 cups of water, right? Yes. Alright guys, so remember for your rice you want to add some oil and some salt. To be honest, I don't have specific measurements for oil and salt. I do everything kind of by look, by eye, by vision, by visual. I just know how much I want to add to it. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut this up. This is gonna get a little messy, so make sure you have enough room and get ready to clean up a lot of bits and pieces flying around. Alright, so I basically, what I did is that I chopped off this like stem thing that was on it, and it was like this, and I cut it right in half. We're not gonna work with these like long bottom pieces, like the stems of it. We're just gonna work with the top. Here I'm just cutting off any extra pieces of the stem. This is completely optional. You guys can leave it if you'd like. Alright, so what we're doing next is that we're gonna get our cauliflower and we're gonna chop it all up, and I'm gonna show you guys just how I do that, and then we're gonna stir fry it in a little pan with some seasoning, and it's gonna have the best flavor ever. You're gonna love this so much. Okay guys, here I am just cutting the top of the cauliflower, the floret part, that's what it's called. This is completely optional. I do this because I feel like it cooks a lot better in smaller pieces, and the stem part usually takes a little longer to cook and get crispy. But yep, now that I am done, you guys can put some oil in a pan, and you guys can heat it up to like a medium-low temperature, because we do want to cook these a little slow so they will get nice and cooked thoroughly and then can get crispy. And I'm gonna add some lemon to that. I add half a lemon to this, and this is kind of half of the cauliflower already in the pan. Now we're gonna add the seasoning and stir it up. Keep stirring occasionally. This is what the cauliflower would look like about 10 minutes in. Alright guys, everything is cooking and looking good. Now we just wait. Alright guys, don't mind my pan burning in the bottom. I like these a little crispier, but this is about 13 minutes in after stir frying. These are ready and done.
Welcome to a video.
Alright, Noah has joined us. He's gonna help me cut the tomatoes and decorate the plate with our food. Okay.
Me so excited.
So far we have the rice. Ooh, it slides. So the rice, the lentils, and the cauliflower.
This is the Mickey Mouse duck. My mom is taking forever, right guys?
So these are ready.
Oh, I'm ready.
We're gonna cut these grape tomatoes. Ah! Wait.
Mama, come on, Mom.
Ta-da! Together.
Come together.
That's cute. You can eat the rest. Do you want some cucumbers?
Yeah.
For vegetables, I'm gonna be using grape tomatoes and a cucumber.
No, this is my diamond creation. Me keep on my diamonds. But me sold this one from my store. Crazy. Me don't tell no one, but this is secret.
Alright guys, so you ready to see it? So thank you guys so much for joining us. I hope you try this recipe of cauliflower chicken and tune in for the next video. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions of what you guys want to see next. And thank you so much. Bye guys.
Take my horses, we're gonna roll. We're gonna take and go with you. You're in. Let me see shiny. Love you. You. Love you.